Good morning, it's Gillykube from the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia, coming to you with another little pour. I want to thank you guys so much for joining me. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel and being with me here every day. I truly appreciate each and every one of you, I really do, so thank you. I hope that I find you well and good, and if you're a bit down in the dumps, let's hope you get some enjoyment and a bit of a laugh out of my craziness in my art room. So hopefully sent to give a bit of joy and light into other people's lives, in our lives. We all need a bit of that, hey? So I'm still on using my art alchemy and my colour shift. I've got art alchemy, colour shift and the Mont, all mixed with a bit of Floetrol and 2 drops of Jo Sonia's varnish. It's a mix that I've had mixed up, and I've been doing several different pours this week, different styles with the same paint. So I've still got paints left over, so I'm going to try something different with them today. I'm going to try the flip and lip. So basically a flip cup pours. Now they're really runny because I've made them that way originally to do, made them originally runny to do the Dutch pours, but I'm going to see if I can actually get a flip cup out of them. So here you go. This was the Mont purple, and I put a good dash of the dragonfly glaze in it. So it gives it this really shimmery effect. And this is an oval canvas that I'm doing the pour on today. So 2 little cups I'm going to work with and see how we go. This was the gold in the folkart, really shimmery. So yeah, very runny paint, more sort of really for a Dutch pour, but I've got them left over. I think I've done 4 or 5 different pours with these little bits that I've had made up, and I'm still going, so I thought I'd just keep doing different styles until I can't do any more, till they're all used up. So look at this, they're all shimmering shiny. That one's the green in the folkart. So they're all different brands mixed together. We see how we go with them. Different brands, different colours, all just gorgeous. Yeah, don't think that doing a flip cup with such runny colours may work, but we'll see. This is just the white mixed with Floetrol, so I'll put a good dash of that in each one. They're so runny that they're all just really fluid in there. They're not sort of how I would normally for a flip cup. That normally has to be quite thick, but you know, I'm sure it's gonna be gorgeous because they're just some gorgeous colours there. Go back to that gold. Can never have enough gold, can we? Take it back to this gorgeous purple. It's just shimmering because I've put that colour shift in it. So add in a bit of that folkart. This is folkart, isn't it? Where is it? Oh no, it's not. It's dragonfly glaze. Folkart, yeah. So it's got that gorgeous shimmer in it. So you can basically add these to any colours of your paint to get the more, you know, to basically get the shimmery shiny effect. And what I'm trying to do by adding a couple of drops of the varnish was to see if they dry shimmery sheeny. So flip cups in a very runny paint. Not sure how this is going to go. Let's just try though, hey? Oops, days. Just going to pour some of this white I have left over. around my edges. Oops, 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 oops. It's really runny, so I guess that it's all going to just run off my canvas. This might not be successful at all. Oh, wow, look at those colours though. Oh my goodness. Wow, wow, and wow. Let me try and run it over the edges to get them covered, but without losing. Those colours are absolutely stunning. They are the bomb. Oh my goodness. So much going on, I don't know where to look. I'm looking at all these things popping up before my very eyes. Oh my goodness, look at that. Oh, that is beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. The lacing, and remember there's no silicone in any of these, only the Floetrol. I'm going to try and blow over the edges. Oh, look at that. What that did. Wow. That is beautiful. I love it. Oh my goodness. The colours. Oh, wowzers. Trousers. Just popping off the canvas. It is absolutely stunning. Stunning. I think the lip needs to be a little bit, oh, I could use the skewer, I suppose, to run it through like that. I don't like this funny line, but that's what you can use your skewer for. Wow. Wowzers, trousers. That is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. I love it. I'm not sure if you can see the detail, the lacing, the effect in it. It's just beautiful. Really, really lovely. Oh, it doesn't look as bright in here. Wow. Wow. There you go. There was a flip cut with those gorgeous paints and colours, much runnier than you would normally use for a flip cup. But it's just created the most amazing effects and colours in that particular canvas. Super duper, absolutely super duper. So hope you like that one. Thank you so much for joining me. Please wait on for the end for the photos. But I'm really happy with that, really happy with the colours in there, just stand out. So wait on for the photos and you will see the detail in this particular one. Bye for now.